This video is dedicated to the 9gag community for the love and support that you've shown us. Hello and welcome to Honest Cooks. Today, we are going to have fun with some vegetables and make vegetable rice paper rolls, also known as summer rolls. These are gluten-free, dairy-free, and very delicious. Let's get started. These you can absolutely discard. Here are the vegetables that I'm using today. Feel free to use any vegetable that you like eating raw. Alright, time to roll the rice paper, for which we obviously need rice paper. Here, I'm using Blue Dragon rice paper rolls available at Whole Foods. You can use any brand that you have easily accessible. Aside from these vegetables, we'll use Bib lettuce or any lettuce which has larger leaves, and you'll see why in a minute. You also need hot water in a big bowl. Use the biggest bowl that you have. Keep the water as hot as you can while putting your hand in comfortably. Using a piece of plastic stops the rice paper from sticking to the surface. This is what the rice paper will look like right out of the packet. Now we'll dip it into the water, and as you dip it, it will start to soften. And again, I wish I had a bigger bowl to make this so much easier. I hope you can tell the difference between the plastic and the rice paper. So you'll start with the lettuce, and this will be the cup that holds all the other vegetables, and that is why you need larger leaves. Start laying your vegetable horizontally from you. Hold it here, fold and pull towards you. A bigger piece of plastic will be better. Lesson learned. Sides up. It's okay if it tears, and roll. There you have it. So dip, dip, dip. I'm using a longer and a stretched out piece of plastic this time. We'll fill it up with the vegetables. You could also use pickled onions, and the recipe will be in our description box below. Hold the rice paper, tuck the wedge, fold over, one more roll, fold the sides up, and roll all the way.
Alright, let's do this one last time.
Thanks, Spider-Man. Alright guys, once more, look closer this time. Fill up your wedge. Lift the paper, tuck the vegetables inside, fold again, corners up, roll, and roll. Pair these with the ultimate dipping sauce. The recipe is in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment below to share your thoughts. For more such videos, please subscribe to Honest Cooks. Thank you so much. See you next time.